gonna be installing some Boho. Got it for Locs, butterfly Faux Loc. So it comes with 6-pack and tray, and I got it in 51. So it's in this beautiful packaging. So it's 6-pack. So this what the color is. It's like this gray color. I wanted to be new, so I tried these gray colors. That's so cute. Like I said, 6 packs of these bad boys. And also come with beautiful bead and a crochet needle. So I did have my hair. I did twist like part of my hair. Then I took like my braid pan, like you know how I used to do comb wire. I did try to do flat twist. It came out good, but some of it came out. I never washed them when I did it. But some of my twists came out. But at the end of the day, I want to do something different because comb wire in my hair was putting too much tension on it when I did my crochets and stuff. So I tried to do flat twist. I'm gonna do better next time, but yeah. So let's get started. Use the crochet needle. So this pack number 1. I forgot how many pieces were in here. So they had it look. It really look cute. I like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. It got 20 butterfly lots in each bundle. So they're really cute. So without ado, let's get into it. Go right now. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for these to come in for the longest. I really wanted to try them. So, you know the deal. I'm done with the hair, so that's my hair looking. Actually, don't mind like these pieces. For some reason, it won't go all the way in, like my natural hair won't go in. But other than that, it still look good. It still look natural. I honestly love this color. And the cut is so cute. It is so mean. I love it. It's not even heavy. I use 3 packs and 2 of the 4th pack to get this look. And let me tell you, whatever. They said don't mind this, but it's really cute. Honestly, love the side. The Mermaid Locs. New best friend. The back. Well, you did different hairstyle with this. It look natural, don't mind this, but it look like going at my scalp the way I got it. And there we go. Natural. Don't mind, I got like box with it, so don't mind, but natural. I love this. Yeah, I just love the color. The color is so beautiful. Like, oh my god. This will probably be my new favorite color besides T27. M.T will be my color. Ain't that right? Right? Yeah. M51. M51 is definitely my hair color. But yeah, I hope you liked the video. I will leave everything down below in the description box below for you to check it out. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.